If you have a Roomba and a pet, your brushes probably look like this. Now the official Roomba instruction for cleaning the brush is pretty optimistic. It shows this little letter remover thing, and the brush isn't even that dirty. But this was actually one run of the vacuum downstairs after cleaning it, so it's a total mess. So this is how we clean our brushes. You basically go in between the brushes with a pair of scissors and just cut through the fur, as I'm doing here. And we have a brush called a Furminator. It's a brush that's designed for pulling fur off the animal. And you can see I'm just running the Furminator over the brush like this. Go into 2x speed, pulling the hair off, getting quite a bit of hair. It doesn't damage the bristles at all. I don't think I removed a single bristle this way. It just pulls the fur out. So once you go through all the different brushes, then you flip the thing over and go in the other direction. Takes me about 2 minutes to do it. It sure beats having to replace your brush every time. They get pretty expensive if you have to replace them every single time you use the vacuum. So there it is. Not perfect, but it's nice and clean. Hope this hack works for you.